Department of Commerce issued a direct order to Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company or TSMC to halt shipments of advanced AI chips to Chinese companies, effective immediately. This restriction, reported by Reuters, specifically targets chips with designs of 7 nanometers or more. The Commerce Department issued this order through a direct is-informed letter, a powerful tool that lets the US impose immediate export limitations without lengthy bureaucratic processes. The directive follows a recent incident where one of the TSMC's chips was discovered inside a Huawei AI processor. Tech research firm Tech Insights uncovered the TSMC chip within the Huawei product, suggesting an unauthorized transfer of US restricted technology. Huawei has long been on the US entity list, which means companies must obtain a license to supply technology to it. The US takes potential violations seriously, especially when it involves technology that could enhance China's AI capabilities. To comply with the Commerce Department's order, TSMC has notified its Chinese clients, including chip designers like Sophgo, that it will immediately suspend shipments of specific AI chips. This halt allows the US to investigate whether any other Chinese firms are diverting restricted chips to companies like Huawei. The use of an is-informed letter allows the Commerce Department to enforce these restrictions without waiting for new rules to be written, enabling a swift response to potential national security threats. The chips being halted include AI accelerators and GPUs, which are integral to advanced AI applications. These same technologies were previously restricted for companies like Nvidia and AMD, with similar controls imposed on equipment suppliers such as Lam Research, Applied Materials, and KLA. Lawmakers on both sides of the aisle have pressed the Department of Commerce to update export control rules on advanced technologies going to China. In 2022, the Biden administration proposed expanding the entity list, targeting around 120 Chinese entities, including chip manufacturers and equipment suppliers. However, these new rules have faced delays and remain unpublished. This delay underscores a complex issue. While national security remains a priority, some in the tech industry worry that expanded export controls could impact US companies' competitiveness globally. As the US and China continue their tug-of-war over technology dominance, the halt in TSMC's chip exports marks another pivotal moment in the global semiconductor race. With heightened scrutiny on advanced AI chips, this decision could have far-reaching consequences for US-China relations and the future of AI technology access.